Hey you guys, it's Asani Beauty. Thank you so much for choosing my channel. In this video, I will be doing a video on skincare. Yeah. So in this video, I wanted to talk about two amazing products that I discovered on Amazon. These are the Minamul Organic Konjac Exfoliating Sponges. I tell you, they did refund me the price of my money to try these sponges, but don't worry, I am going to give a 100% honest assessment. So I got these off Amazon. These are from the brand Minamul. They are Konjac exfoliating sponges. They have a set that is for your body, and then they have a set that is for your face. So I've been using the face sponge for over a month, and I am 100% satisfied. They are totally awesome. These sponges are made using fiber of the root of a konjac plant. It's naturally rich in essential minerals, vitamins, and amino acids. Bamboo charcoal contains activated carbon to deeply clean, absorbing excess sebum and grim to help prevent blemishes and breakouts. These sponges are great for daily use. So this is the face sponge. They're great for oily combination to normal skin. They will gently purify and exfoliate your skin to stimulate natural blood flow and encourage skin regeneration. So which has been what I've experienced over the last month in using these sponges. So I'll tell you my struggle with face washing sponges. So usually I use a Clarisonic, but my battery died on it and I can't find the plug. So I can't find the charger. So until I find the charger, I am using these Konjac sponges. This is what the face sponge looks like. It's a little hard right now, but the way that you soften them up is that you soak them in warm water. You add your face wash and you just go circles all over your face. It's great. I actually had a blemish here that I've been nursing, which has gone away on my natural face. Another thing I like about this is that it absorbs your face wash product. You don't have to use a lot. They're super convenient. They're great. I absolutely love them. And they're gentle. Like, they're actually doing stuff for you. They're exfoliating your skin, but you don't feel it happening, as opposed to using something abrasive like a scrub, right? The next thing they have here is a full body sponge. Excuse me. So this sponge is for the face. It comes in a 4-pack. And same concept with the face. Soak this in hot water and you add your body wash to it and you scrub your body with it. One thing I will say about that, the concept is the same. It is exfoliating your skin gently. And one thing that I'll say that I don't like about them is they're not big enough. I would at least like for them to be the size of my hand. So maybe if they came out with an extra large version. But these would be really great for target areas, like for exfoliating your knees or your elbows. If you have certain spots on your body that you are trying to remove rough skin, these would be great. They do okay in the shower. It's just because they're not as big as I would like them. It just takes a long time. I'm not the type of person who's going to stay in the shower for 15-20 minutes, taking a shower. It just takes too long to hit everything. I would like for it to be bigger, and I felt like if it were bigger, it would be easier to maneuver this in the shower to get yourself clean. But I do like the concept of it, and I have been using it on my elbows and my knees because I have an accumulation of dry skin there, especially in the winter. So these are the Minamul Konjac exfoliating sponges. You can get one for your face, and then you can also get a package for your body. They recommend that you change these out. That you keep these no longer than 2 months individually. So every 2 months, 1.5 to 2 months, go ahead and switch it out and start another one. If you're looking for a product that's going to give your face a polished and smooth look without being too abrasive, these are a great product. What I'll do is I'll put the links to these on Amazon in the description box if you would like to purchase these. I'm quite sure you won't be disappointed with them. These are totally awesome. And you guys, thank you so much for choosing my channel. My name is Asani Beauty. And if you don't do anything else today, stay beautiful and love one another. And don't forget to like and share this video. And also, I have the links to this product in the description box, along with the link to my lash store If you are interested in the lashes that I have on, you can get my lashes, and also to my beauty blog and YouTube channel. So thank you guys so much for watching. And these are the Minimal Organic Konjac Exfoliating Sponges.